This video is designed to offer installation guidelines of Troldtekt panels onto a direct fix ceiling system. Before installing your ceiling panels, you will need to first select and prepare the furring channels to attach the panels to. There are a variety of furring channel options. Select the type that suits your ceiling. Next, you will need to choose the direct clip option most suited to your chosen furring channel. There are two main options. If using Rondo furring channel 605, use the 606 clip for direct fix application, and for a direct fix application beneath a concrete slab, use the 607 clip installed with a center fix. Next, you can attach your furring channels. First, make sure the spacing covers 300 mm around the perimeter, and the rails are 1200 mm in length to allow the Troldtekt panels to fit. To establish how many ceiling tiles you need, the best approach is to work it out in sections. Divide your entire ceiling into 4 and then divide again until you have the accurate number of ceiling tiles required. The recommended installation approach is to install the first panel in the center of the ceiling. Panels can then be installed along the center axis. The remaining panels can then be built out from this center line. Troldtekt panels come in a variety of sizes. If needed, they can also be cut to size prior to attaching to the furring channels using a circular saw or Makita plunge saw kit. Before attaching the panels, you will need to measure the positioning of the Troldtekt screws into the panels. Troldtekt screws should be spaced 25 mm from the edge of each ceiling panel. Once screw spacing has been measured, use the Troldtekt screws to attach the panels directly into the furring channel. Screws should be spaced no more than 600 mm apart. Your installation is complete. For information on painting, maintenance and care of your Troldtekt panels, please visit himmel.com.au.